Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by registering for Canara Bank net banking now. Go to the bank's online registration page or use the branch activation slip. Enter your account number, CIF, and debit card details, then create a user ID when prompted. Once done, set the temporary password sent by the bank and change it immediately to a strong one. Make sure to enable SMS alerts so OTPs reach you. This prevents delays and keeps transactions secure as you proceed to log in. You log in using your user ID and the password you created. The system will prompt for an OTP. Enter it promptly to continue. Once inside, navigate to Profile Settings to change security questions, set a strong permanent password, and register an MPIN if you'll use the mobile app. Next, link payees. Add beneficiary name, account number, and IFSC, then verify via OTP or micro amount confirmation. Make sure to set transfer limits and daily caps before initiating large payments. You perform payments by choosing the transfer type, selecting a beneficiary, and entering the amount. Confirm details carefully, then authorize with an OTP or MPIN. After submission, note the transaction reference and review the status in transaction history to ensure completion. If a transfer fails or your OTP doesn't arrive, clear browser cache or restart the app and try again. If problems persist, contact Canara Bank helpline with your CIF and transaction reference so they can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.